Totally transform a thrift store credenza into bedroom furniture. Here's how. Start by removing the legs. After removing the top, measure each section. Then grab a pine board and cut it to size. You can also have this cut for you at your local home improvement store. Next, sand the top smooth. Then sand each side. After that, clean the surface. Then add some paint. Make sure to also seal with polyacrylic for extra protection. After it has dried, attach the new top. Replace the drawers, and that's it! Now you'll have a 3-piece bedroom furniture set. Perfect as 2 bedside tables and a storage chest. Fill the chest with extra blankets, seasonal clothing. The possibilities are endless. Want to make this project? Here's what you'll need. A credenza or thrift store furniture, a measuring tape, a screwdriver, a drill, a pine board, sandpaper, cleaning spray and a rag, some paint, a paintbrush, a saw, or you can get it cut for you at your local hardware store, and polyacrylic. I hope this inspires you to totally transform an old piece of furniture into something new. Thanks for watching Home Talk. See you in our next video.